لا لا تحسب أن الدين بعيد.
So basically this video is how I revise a chapter in just an hour. कुछ difficult chapters में it exceeds from 1 hour but usually it is 1 hour. So let's begin. So the first step is allocating time for each and everything you need to do in that 1 hour. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ अभी फिजिक्स बायो और केमिस्ट्री की बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि बाकी जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं इंग्लिश उर्दू इस्लामियात पाक स्टडीज़ इनके लिए टाइम वेरी करता है और डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स के लिए डिफरेंट होता है बट फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो आर जनरली द सेम. So I would suggest you a proper timer in this video also that I follow for revising a chapter in just an hour. लेकिन उससे पहले I would give you some practical tips so that you can make it according to your choice. Here I just wanted to add कि हो सकता है कि मैंने 15 minutes दिए हों एक चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज को फॉर एग्जांपल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और MCQs को और you just need more time for it, so you need to just adjust the time lapse according to your preference. This is what I mean. Having a proper plan for revision or even to study something is so important. Without a plan you can't do anything, and yes, you can't achieve your goals. If you have any goal, so you need to make a plan for every day. और अगर आप अपना proper plan 100% achieve नहीं भी कर पाते उस दिन के लिए, so you are just accountable to yourself. आपको पता होता है कि आपने कितना पढ़ा है और आपने अब कितना पढ़ना है अपना गोल अचीव करने के लिए. So do make a plan for yourself. Like I am not saying कि आप ये लिखें कि 2 बजे से 4 बजे तक I would do this chapter, this chapter, this chapter. मतलब उस हिसाब से ना करें, प्रॉपर टाइम सेट ना करें, बल्कि अपना गोल लिखें कि फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव टू डू थर्मोडायनामिक्स, एरोडायनामिक्स एक्सेट्रा. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी रिट्रीविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर माइंड एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट important step that most of us ignore. The most important question is here how you revise. I just open the book and reread the information I have read previously, and in test I am all blank. So let me give you the solution of this problem. What we do is just reread the information. We don't use our mind in doing that. That is just a form of passive learning, and we need to do active learning to store the information in our long term memory. So the solution of this problem is asking yourself questions instead of just rereading the paragraphs again and again. Like first, what you need to do is just see this page of student learning outcomes in our books of Federal Board, and this is what you need to do first. You need to just make questions out of it by yourself and try to answer them first, and this is how you can revise actively, and this is the best thing. So before showing you revision plan of mine, I would just say a thing कि revision makes a big difference. So revise a lot, और revision सिर्फ revision से कुछ नहीं होगा. You need to do a lot of test sessions for that. और अगर अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके स्कूल में या कॉलेज में सफिशिएंट टेस्ट नहीं हो पा रहे, आपने अपने आप को इवेलुएट नहीं किया, सो प्लीज इट्स अ सिंसियर एडवाइस, डू जॉइन एन अकेडमी फॉर टेस्ट सेशन or just take your school or college seriously and request your teachers to take your exams or mock tests on daily basis. Now as per the promise, I am gonna share it. And yes, now that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to give any suggestion of revision in the comments. Allah Hafiz.